Before we go further, congratulations. You've picked up all the practical logarithm and exponential skills that we want you to have pretty much, and now we're going to show you how you can use them to handle real-life problems. Exponential growth happens whenever something grows faster the bigger it is. So populations do that. The more people there are in a place, the faster the population growth gets because there's more people having babies. Compound interest is an exponential growth because the more money you have, the more interest you collect. And there are other examples like multiplication of bacteria that can also be tracked with exponentials. So lots of ways to put this to work. First example they use is Canada's population, and they say our population behaves like this. The population we have now equals our starting population. You kind of get to pick what this is, times 1.01. This is a number that measures how fast our growth is, not very fast. And n is how many years it's been since our starting population. And now they tell us the starting population we want you to use is from 2001 when we had 30 million people. So our population formula is going to be 30 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1.01 to the power of n, and n is the years that have passed since 2001. So right now, as I record this, it's the year 2013, so n would be 12 for me. It's been 12 years since 2001. And they're asking, when will this get to 50 million? So if we have 50 million for our population, and that equals 30 million times 1.01 to the nth power. How can we solve this for n? Well, we can divide both sides by 30,000 first off. That'll get rid of all these annoying zeros I'm having to write. If you divide both sides by 30,000, you'll get 1.67 equals 1.01 to the nth power. Good so far? Now, if these were nice numbers like 2 and 32, we could just count them out on our fingers. But since they are not, our answer is we're going to turn this into logarithmic form. This is an exponential of base 1.01, which sounds horrible, but it's true. So we're going to get a log with the base 1.01. The 1.67 comes over here, and the n goes over to live by itself. So here we are in logarithmic form. And this question is still asking, if I have 1.01 and I want to turn it into 1.67, what power must I put on it? Well, I can't eyeball that, and probably most people can't. But what we can do now is hand it to the calculator. Use change of base on this, and it becomes log 1.67 divided by log 1.01. And the machine tells us that's 1.67. Remember to close your parentheses. 1.01. 51.53 or 52 years. Now, remember, that's 52 years after the year 2001. So 2001 plus another 52 years. In about 2053, according to this model, we should hit 50 million people.